Hello folks, it's always fun flying with folks you've trained in the past. Let's watch as we fly with Bexar County Sheriff's Office. It is now. We have Investigator Dorian Prosser. It is going to be our pilot in command today for this flight. We're going to be flying a X4S that has been converted to near infrared.
Correct.
And flying a what?
Matrice 210.
Matrice 210.
Yes.
Okay.
DJI Matrice 210.
Outstanding. Let's get it.
Yep. I'm going to set up right now.
And there's Detective Trey Shannon. You know you have a name for a police novel, right?
Oh yeah?
That should be the main character of a police novel.
Right.
Detective Trey Shannon. Trace was in the very first public safety drone training program that we conducted. His department has embraced the use of drones and they are growing. Trace is now training the new SO pilots. Do you guys want to, I can get you a SD card to put in there and that way you don't have to fiddle?
That's fine.
Okay, stand by. I will go get it. I came out here and did a video with the M600. Wanted to show folks all the setup and everything you have to do to get to 600 and all the arms unfolded and all that.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get that remote? You know what we don't have?
Okay.
No, we don't have the thing for your tablet.
All right, go ahead.
Doing the dance. Move out of your jurisdiction. And you got to do the dance. Make sure you get calibrated.
Okay.
So now we want to go with the. I'm going to switch this over. We want to go with the palette, so we're going to go to settings. Looks like it's on auto right now. Photo, image, format, JPEG, color. This film. See, look how pink that gets. It was on film. This D-log is a little bit more pale. And there's your cool. Twilight.
So last time we had it on cinema, didn't we? Or
I think it was film.
film.
Is what we had it there. Style is landscape. We have the white balance. Where's the white balance at?
Right there.
White balance right there, yeah. Let's go through those and see what we get.
Well, that's auto. Sunny. Incandescent.
Yeah, typically you want to avoid incandescent and custom. You know, you can do the temperature slider.
So just start out with cloudy.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Let me see how. So basically, here's going to be your pip. There you can first person, and then once you have it in the air, once we're hovering and stuff, that's when we can start playing with the palette and all that. All right.
All right. Props clear.
Off clear.
Doing the walk around. Obstacle avoidance is on.
Clear launch.
Clear launch.
Launching.
Well, it's always good to have friends and places that can get equipment, so I'm going to go run over here and check the placement for this M210 with a X4S that's converted to near infrared. And look at that real quick. Because in this area there was some original studies done, and these graves are very old, pushing 6 years old, and we still think we can see them from the drone up there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, he's just hanging out up there. So anyway, yeah, I mean, there's an advantage of having the drone, because I can't tell any difference with the naked eye that there's anything out there other than a little disturbed earth. This is some cool stuff. That's always an interesting drill, trying to give somebody instructions over the phone on how to shoot the pictures that you want to get shot. It's good for both the pilot and the communicator trying to get the images done, as far as I'm concerned. So I'm headed back. It's misting. It's kind of chilly out here, surprisingly enough, for April. And these guys have done a real good job of taking the images that I need on a really kind of crappy day for shooting. So thank you very much, Bexar County Sheriff's Office. As you can see, we got the M210 just a little damp, but it was a successful flight all in all. We got the images collected. As I said, it's a blessing to be able to bring these guys out here and to let them fly and experience what we see and do firsthand. We hope to continue and look forward to more videos just like this one. Thanks, and we'll see you around the patch.